Marcello and his songwriting?
So now we've got a fully written intro melody. That's also the outro melody. So it was what I thought of for a solo, but I didn't really want to have a solo. Just kind of wanted to have it playing with the chorus chords near the end. And basic melody is something along the lines of sorry, but and then and that's basically it.
Okay, cool. And underneath that, will there be another instrument like playing the chords?
Yeah.
So what would it be? Someone else playing synth, or is that the part you're talking about, synth, or was it other guitar?
I haven't quite decided yet. So
Yeah.
far, Dan recorded it on the looper.
Ah, okay,
so
cool.
it's just-
So you can play along with that.
Yeah.
Okay, great.